Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. This is the Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock, a smart light and sound machine designed to help you fall asleep easier and wake up more naturally. In this video, I'll break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its multi-sensory sleep and wake design. The Hatch Restore 3 combines light, sound, and routines to create a screen-free bedtime experience. It helps you unwind at night with soothing light and relaxing sounds, then gently wakes you with a sunrise alarm that supports your body's natural circadian rhythm. It includes over 80 science-backed sleep sounds like white noise, nature, and meditation sessions. You can create personalized routines through the Hatch Sleep app, choosing different light and sound pairings that fit your mood, like meditative gold or unconventional meditations. The putty design looks modern and calming, blending perfectly into any bedroom setup. It's also auto-dimmable, keeping your room dark at night while still showing the time when needed. The interface is simple, with one large button to start routines or snooze without grabbing your phone, making it truly screen-free. Now for the downsides. The Hatch Restore 3 requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and the Hatch Sleep app for setup and customization, so it's not completely standalone. Some premium features like guided meditations and sleep stories are locked behind the Hatch Plus subscription, which costs extra after the free trial. So, is it worth it? If you want to improve your sleep with a gentle, smart, and beautifully designed alarm clock that replaces your phone at bedtime, the Hatch Restore 3 is an excellent choice. Just remember, it works best when paired with the app and subscription for full features. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.